everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited. Let's just keep it real. I'm super excited. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. The lighting right now, it's okay, but I just received today my ring light in the mail. So you know what's about to be on, okay? On it. So what I decided to do is, I'm surprised I was even able to wait this long, because normally when I get packages, I'm like, let me open it, let me check it out, let me see what I got, let's see it like in my hand, because okay, let's talk about something real quick before I unbox my ring light. I don't really like doing online purchases too much, because I'm that person who likes to get their stuff or whatever the item is, whether it's clothes, shoes, makeup, whatever. I like to get my stuff then. I like to go to this, it's like a thrill to go to the store, get what I wanted, and have it right then and there. I hate having to wait to get something in the mail. So I got my ring light on Amazon, and it was 2-day shipping. Well, technically it wasn't 2-day shipping. I got it Friday. I didn't get it until today, which is Tuesday. So I had to wait longer than 2 days technically, but it's okay. Like I said before, I'm just happy I got it and it's here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it with you guys. I'm gonna put it together with you guys, and we're gonna see how this works. Right now I have two lights. I have a light here and I have a light right here. But normally when you do videos on YouTube, they suggest you do like the 3-point lighting. So my ring light is gonna be the 3rd point. I'm super excited. So let's get going. Got my scissors. Box is right here. Let's open it. This box is pretty big, by the way. I mean, I figured it was gonna be kind of big, but I don't know, it was just really big. Okay, so the box was in 2 boxes, or the ring light is in 2 boxes. So here's, the first box is out the way, so let me just, I ain't break nothing, y'all. I ain't break nothing. But here's the actual box with the ring light in it. Let's open it. Oh, it comes in this nice little carrying case. And the carrying case actually is like, it's pretty solid. But here it is. I'm excited. I've been wanting a ring light for a minute, but was not trying to spend the money. But I got a really good deal. I ain't gonna tell you what my deal or what the deal is, but I got a good deal. So I'm guessing this box right here, let's see. This box, which was in the casing, let's see what it is before I assume. Oh, okay. So, okay. So this goes around the actual ring light. I have an orange one and I have a white one. I guess it's supposed to kind of give it kind of a different finish. Definitely am interested to see how the finishes look. And then it comes with a little Bluetooth remote shutter. Oh, this is great. And it's, oh, this is cool. Okay. Because right now, I'm shooting with my phone right now, so it works on the phone. So that's pretty cool. And then here are the actual cords, I guess, to plug everything in. And it comes with a mount, which is cool. Okay. All right. And then inside is the actual light. Oh, I'm so excited. This is cute. This is cute. This is gonna make my videos cute. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. So I have to hook this up. I gotta get ready to hook this up. This case is really, really nice, by the way. It's nice to know that when I'm not videotaping, that my ring light is gonna be in a secure place. And then at the bottom of the box is the tripod. It's pretty much just the tripod and all the connecting pieces that keeps it together. Oh, this is so exciting. Like, I don't think you guys understand how excited I am about this ring light. Like, I'm really hoping that this makes my videos really have some really nice quality. Okay, so just hold on a second. I'm gonna go ahead and try to put this together. And then, you know what? Before I even put it together, let me just plug up the actual ring light. Let's see how it looks. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have it just plugged up so I can just kind of like turn it on and see what happens. Let's see. Ooh, and it dims. It dims also, you guys. I don't know if I told you guys that part, but it dims as well. So this is at a low setting, just it facing you guys. But let's see. Oh, I think I look. I think I look good. This light is amazing. Can I just talk about the light? The lighting right now. Like, the lighting, this is exactly what a girl needed. Okay, so I'm excited. I'm really excited. And like I said, this is off, or this is on, but it's really low. And then the brighter I think, oh, this light, oh my God, this gets so bright. This gets really bright. Like, really bright. I don't think it needs to be that bright, though. I think, like, that's probably pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna put the tripod together with everything so we can see how this all is gonna work out. Okay, so my ring light is up. It's set up, it's all put together. I really like it. I love the light. I'm feeling myself right now. I feel like the lighting on the face with my makeup and everything. I think it just looks really nice. I think it definitely is going to enhance my videos a little more. So that's super exciting. And the crazy thing about it is that it's dark. Like, it's dark in my room. Like, I need to try it out with just, like, I have my 2 lights and then the ring light, but I also have my room light on. Like, I need to turn that off and see how that looks for a second, because right now, just with really not that much outside light right now, it's dark outside. This looks really good. Okay, so it's dark in here right now. No lights. I do have like a little candle lit, but that's not giving any light. So let's see how it looks with just the ring light. Just the ring light. I'm just gonna turn on. Yo. This is just the ring light. I don't even have my other 2-point lights on. Just the ring light. This is what we're getting right now. Let me see. So that's when I add one of the point lights. any other. Like, I feel like it's helping these two lights. Like, I still see a little shadow, but I think it's helping with this shadowing part. But outside of that, this ring light, hold on, let me turn it off. So this is without the ring light. Not the same, not the same. This ring light really does, definitely does help advance everything. I'm super excited. The only thing I have to double check is that if you guys haven't seen, I did do a video called my new vanity table, and I organized my makeup. I do have like a little, like in my desk for my vanity, I have like a hole, and I want to put the ring light there to kind of help out while I'm videotaping, when I'm doing makeup tutorials, to see like what kind of like effect that gives. So if that works too, oh, this is on and popping. Like it's about to go down. It is about to go down, okay? About to go down. I definitely will put the link in the description box of the where I got the ring light. It's called the Neewer. Is it the Neewer? Neewer, right? I think that's how you pronounce it. The Neewer ring light. It was pretty good. It was a really good deal. Let me just say that, like I said before, it came with a remote shutter, Bluetooth, so I have to check that out to see how to connect that on. And then it also comes, like I said, with these like protectors that you put on the actual ring light. One's white and one's orange. I don't really know what the orange one's gonna do. I'm actually really interested to find out what kind of effect, like an orange. I don't think it's gonna do anything too specific or too drastic, I mean, but definitely something to try out. And it comes with a couple pieces. Like here's one piece here. If I'm not mistaken, you probably use this to mount like maybe your mount your computer, to mount your camera. But we also have another mount here that mounts my phone, which I think is really, really cool. And then I was looking at something, I think I can mount my iPad too, if I really wanted to. But I'm pretty sure I probably would need like the actual piece to grip my iPad if I were to try to do that. But that's cool. That's good to know. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy me acting silly and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, like, listen, seriously, take the time out if you want. Say something positive, say something good to me in the description box. Not really many people are really saying anything. Please comment something in the description box. If you like, you know, my ring light, and you like how my video is looking today, you know, with the ring light, press the like button. Like it if you like the ring light, okay? But definitely thank you guys for watching, and you guys are going to definitely see another video from me soon. I appreciate it so much. This is only like my first few videos. I just got my channel started, and it's fun. I'm enjoying it. So if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, feel free to also hit the like button, please, okay? And like I said, you'll definitely see another video from me soon, and I really appreciate it. Bye. Sometimes I can't help it when I'm alone. I can't keep myself. Show me what it means to be a lover, and I won't let